Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the iRobot home application to control my Roomba, but suddenly it stopped responding and wouldn't connect. So if your app is doing the same, this video will walk you through how you can fix it and get your Roomba back in action. First of all, you just have to come out of your Roomba application completely, and then you just have to simply remove it from the background. Afterwards, you will have to just relaunch your app and check if the issue is still there or if it is fixed. So with this method, the minor issues or glitches can be fixed, but if the issue is major, I would recommend you to go with this second method. Now in this method, you just have to simply long press on your iRobot application icon, then tap on this I icon and you will be landed in the app info of your iRobot app. Now over here you will see the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So simply tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache of your iRobot application, you just have to simply launch it and see if the issue is fixed or if it is still there. If you see that it is still not working, you can try this method in which you just have to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here in the search bar you need to search for Roomba. Once you are able to find the Roomba application, you need to tap on its icon and check for any update. If you see the update button here, tap on that update button and update your iRobot home application to the latest version. So with the latest version, you will fix a lot of troubleshooting issues, and this way you will be able to fix this issue. If not, you can even uninstall iRoomba application from your device completely, and then you just have to reinstall it and you can start the login process again. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.